In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can locate text correction options. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard. If suggestion strip at the top of it is visible, just click on this gear and tap on text correction. If it's not, you need to access devices settings instead. Scroll all the way down and tap on system. Now access keyboard settings by tapping on keyboard, on-screen keyboard and keyboard. Then tap on text correction. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!